Hey everyone! If you drive a Jeep or Chrysler, especially a recent model, you might have seen some strange warning lights pop up on your dashboard. Maybe it's a blind spot alert, a park assist warning, or even a message about your safety systems not working right. These alerts can be confusing and even a little scary, especially when you're not sure if it's a real problem or just a glitch. The truth is, these issues are pretty common, and they can affect important safety features like blind spot monitoring and park assist. In this video, I'll explain what these warnings mean, why they happen, and how you can get them fixed so you can drive with confidence. Today I'm breaking down what those weird blind spot or park assist warnings actually mean, and what your mechanic is looking at when your dashboard lights up for what seems like no reason. Let's start with the first thing you might see if you dig into the NHTSA database, a manufacturer communication called S2008000093 with the NHTSA ID 102235559. This isn't a recall and it's not even a classic TSB, it's basically a troubleshooting tip sheet for dealership techs. What's the problem? False blind spot or park assist activations. Maybe your blind spot warning is lighting up with no car in sight, or your park assist is beeping at ghosts. If your car's recently had bodywork, especially on the rear bumper, it's possible the problem comes down to something as simple as too much paint, or a sensor that's been mounted just a little off. Here's what the experts say: check the paint thickness over the blind spot sensors. Too thick, and you get false alerts. No plastic repair or filler within about 10 inches of the sensor area. And if you've had a bumper reinstalled, make sure the park assist sensors are perfectly centered in their rings. This is all stuff a body shop or dealership should check after repairs, but sometimes they miss it. Now, for you 2019 and 2020 Jeep Cherokee KL owners, there's a true TSB out there, number 0803220. This one's all about lane departure and park assist features that just don't work at all. The fix? Dealers are supposed to perform a proxy alignment and calibrate your electric power steering. If your odometer's flashing or you see trouble code B2200455, that's the sign. Again, not a recall, but official guidance for fixing a real problem. And if your blind spot system is going off randomly, it's not always hardware. Dirty sensors, misalignment, bumper stickers, or even a trailer hitch can set them off. Sometimes just cleaning off the sensors or double-checking for aftermarket accessories does the trick. So bottom line, S2008000093 is guidance for false blind spot or park assist alerts, check paint, sensor alignment, and recent repairs. 0803220 is a real TSB for Cherokee KLs with lane departure or park assist issues. Ask your dealer about proxy alignment and steering calibration. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more car tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Let me know what year and model you're working on, and I'll dig up the details for you. Thanks for watching.